unlocked and he locked the key. He was changing his shorts into pants.
Alright, hold up. Let's see here.
Yeah, they got a button. That button right there. You see right here? The door.
Oh, so it's an electrical.
Yeah, and they got a button on the trunk too.
So the button on the trunk don't work. There might be a switch. That's why, so there's a little switch right over here in the glove box. Come take a look at this. And this little switch cuts off access to the trunk. It turns off the trunk button. That's why it wasn't working.
Let me see my phone.
There you go. There you go.
See it?